Hi guys! Today I will be unboxing my new iPhone 15 Pro and show you a step-by-step process on how I customize my home screen. So I got the new iPhone 15 Pro in white titanium with 512 GB storage. I'm upgrading from an iPhone 13 Pro, so the USB-C charger is a new feature. The charging cord also feels more sturdy than the previous design. So here you can see a side-by-side comparison of my old 13 Pro with the new 15 Pro. The sides have a matte finish instead of glossy. And a new feature is the action button. You can assign a desired function and it will work as a switch to turn it on or off. When setting up the phone, I chose for the camera, but I might change that later. So for my case, I got the MagSafe silicone case in chalk pink. I think this color is so pretty and fits perfect with the white titanium. Now I will show you how I customize my home screen. I actually draw my own icon themes and I will show you how to install all of these individual images onto your phone. So here I am installing the lock screen wallpaper, and if you happen to experience this thing where the top of your wallpaper turns blurry, just zoom in just slightly and it will get fixed. So for custom icons, I like to use shortcuts. Just follow these steps as shown on the screen. You're basically programming a button to open a certain app with a custom cover. I just want you to keep in mind to not delete the original app, as all the app contents will be lost, as well as the source for the shortcut, so please keep that in mind. And before creating another shortcut, just make sure to select done before repeating the process again. So there's actually another method to install custom icons. The app is called Handy, and with this app you can basically assign an image to each app all on one page. So here I'm showing you how that works. So there is a catch, however. So this is the app icon I created using shortcuts, right? You can tell it brings you directly to the app. With Handy, however, you will be directed to a blank page first and then to the app. So if that bothers you, I recommend sticking to shortcuts. Now moving on to widgets, I will be using Handy again to install my own GIF images. I really enjoy creating icon themes with these animated widgets, as it really makes your screen come to life. Now let's customize the lock screen and also add some GIF widgets on here. And here's the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any questions.